Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Yes indeed. So let's just jump right in this video. Today is a cleaning video. I'm cleaning up both of my bathrooms. My downstairs is already done. I got them early, mopped, and vacuumed. That's all it needed, okay? So now let's get started. I'm gonna clean my bathrooms right here with this bathroom cleaner for soap scum and a stain remover. That's what this is for. So next, I just have a little pad saw to have my bathroom fresh and clean, you guys, and sanitize. That's the key. Alrighty. And last and not least, I have this the Works Classic Clean Toilet Bowl Cleaner. It's clean and what is it? I just saw it. Oh, deodorizes. Okay. I don't know why I saw something in Spanish. Let me see. Okay, but there we go. I got this at Dollar Tree, you guys. I never use this. But I oftentimes see it. Okay, so we're going to see it's going to be a product of his name, Works. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, you guys, I'm going to put this in the toilet. First, I'm going to open it. Oh, it comes out like water. I'm used to the Lysol that have a thick consistency, but this comes out as water. So you have to be careful, you guys. I don't know. Okay, because I like the thick consistency of Lysol. And I do have some Lysol. I just wanted to try that and see. But first, I don't like the consistency. So let's get down here and get it working. Got to get up under the toilet rim. Okay, it suds up pretty well. And sometimes the toilet get the hard water stain. All right. It doesn't have a strong scent that I thought it would have. So, it's okay, I guess, to get it from the Dollar Tree. But I like the consistency of Lysol, like I said. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to let that sit around there. And hold on. Okay, you guys. Put a little bit more pine salt in here. Wow, piping hot. One thing about this, when you spray it on your faucet, you can see the shine immediately, you guys. So this is really good for that. After I clean up and everything, I'm gonna make me some breakfast. Not a big breakfast. It's gonna be depending on how I feel though. I might feel like a big breakfast. I'm gonna clean my mirror. People need toothpaste and toothpaste go flying everywhere. Okay. One problem by my hair being long, it be here everywhere. So my opinion of the works, they could have kept it. They could have kept it, you guys. I have so many cleaners in here. So this is what I like. Get the little crevices when you clean your bathroom. That's how you know someone did a deep clean. You go to their house and the crevices around the little toilet where the little screws and where it go down, when that stuff is not clean, that bathroom is not clean. That's just my opinion. So I do go in with a toothbrush and clean up, guys. That's important. Okay? Because I noticed that when I go to use the bathroom places, even at work, when I go to work and I see a bunch of foolishness, they didn't take the tool and finish to go around the crevices. So you be like, nah, I'm good. Bathroom is not clean. And I squat anyway when I'm at work. And, you know. So, yeah. It don't take nothing but a few minutes to get that off. Okay. Now you guys, I gotta go get my mop. Whew. Tired. Okay, you guys, now I'm about to mop my bathroom out. And this is also pine sol water, you guys. Pine sol, pine sol. It smells so fresh and clean, you guys. Okay, so I'm done with this bathroom, guys, and I thank you for watching. Now I'm headed downstairs for my next bathroom, and bye-bye for now, and I will be back shortly, guys. Bye-bye.